Hello, smart little friends! Today, we're going to learn about some animals that can carry germs and make us sick if we don't keep things clean. Let's learn together, okay? First, let's talk about mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are tiny insects that like to suck blood. Their bites can make us itchy and carry diseases like dengue fever. So, make sure we avoid mosquito bites by using mosquito repellent lotion. Next, we have flies. Flies like to land on dirty places like trash and poop. They can carry germs that can make us sick. We need to keep our food covered so flies don't touch it, and always keep our homes clean. Cockroaches are small insects that can show up suddenly. They often hide in dark and dirty places. Cockroaches can carry germs and contaminate our food. That's why keeping our homes clean is very important. Dust mites, or mites, are tiny creatures that we can't see with our naked eyes. They can live in our beds and carpets. Mites can cause allergies in some people. So, we need to clean our homes regularly. Rats are animals that can make a mess in our homes. They like to chew on anything, even electrical wires. Rats can also carry diseases like leptospirosis. So, make sure our homes are tidy and free from rats. Lastly, there are geckos. Geckos might look cute, but they can leave droppings on our walls. Gecko droppings can contain bacteria and are not good for our health. So, we need to make sure geckos don't get inside our homes. Little friends, it's very important to always keep ourselves and our homes clean so we can stay safe from the diseases these animals might carry. Let's not let them feel comfortable in our homes. Wishing you good health and happiness always. So, let's keep things clean together.